to work. I haven't done an everyday life vlog, one that really does my everyday life justice. Today I'm going to try to do that, and I already missed some things, like putting on makeup and making my coffee. I wake up at about 5:20. My alarm goes off at like 5:20, and then I wake up at like 5:30. And then I just get dressed, put on my makeup. Usually I don't even put on makeup because lately I have been, but usually I don't because it's so dang early in the morning. I just usually can't get myself up early enough so that I have time to do my makeup. Then I walk downstairs and I make my coffee and I walk out the door and I head to work. My work is an hour commute, so yeah, kind of sucks a little bit. It's nice to have a job that I wake up super early and then I can leave like mid-afternoon so that the rest of the day I can just ride my horses. You'll see. And last things last for this little intro, my mom and I have been meal prepping and working hard on eating healthy. I feel like eating healthy is way too generic of a term for that. My goal really is just to eat better foods that nourish my body. I want to do it not only for the longevity of my life, but for my skin. I want my hair to grow. I want my energy to go up. And yeah, I just feel like I've been really inhibited lately by food, and it's just such a dumb thing to be inhibited by because it is literally all up to me on what I consume. And easier said than done, but my mom and I have been just trying to have what we call little wins. And even if that is not getting a shake at Del Taco when you go to Del Taco, or putting just a sprinkle of cheese on your stuff instead of 2 handfuls. I'm being slightly dramatic, but at the same time, not at all. This is a real thing for us. So we have meal prepped for like lunches and stuff like that at work, and then in the mornings I'll show you what I make and how all of that goes, but that's part of this video too. I'm going to continue listening to Rob, Anybody, and Dawn because they have my heart. Okay, I'm back. Vlogging at work is pretty difficult, especially when you're supposed to be working. But I just got off, so I'm on my way to my parents' house where they have my horses. And so I'm going over there to hopefully ride. I haven't been able to ride in 3 days because of the snow, and it's been non-stop like blizzarding here. But today's like a pretty nice day, and we'll see how it is when I get back to town, but I'm thinking it's a good day to ride. Hello. I got distracted with my music, and so I kind of sort of forgot to record any of the footage of me coming home. But I just got to the house and the arena looks pretty muddy, but okay. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm gonna work, moonshine, and ride Armida. Or the opposite, I haven't decided yet. But I need to get back home to take some pictures and stuff like that, so I just am going to work one to make it a little bit quicker. And I also went shopping with my mom, as you guys saw, and so I want to do a little haul for you. Oh, enchilada. Hi, baby mamas. I totally forgot to even show you guys what I did with the horses. They used to be over here. It has been so muddy and so bad that their stalls were getting absolutely horrible. So I moved them into Pecos. No. So I moved them to a better location, and not too long ago we also put up these fences right here. These panels right here, so that I can have a closed off arena, and it just works so much better. So now I can keep a horse in there and let them out, which is really, really, really convenient and really nice. And I just really like this setup. It's nice. What do you actually think, Carmita? I think that's about it that's new. Puppies, puppies, puppies. Besides them getting so much bigger and older and bigger, they love snow. Love it. Love snow. What the heck is she doing? Wow. What is she doing? Someone's in a barrel saddle, yeah, 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 yeah. Whoop, whoop. Bridle of the day. Just kidding. This is literally the bridle that I use every single day. And it's broken right now. Whoop, whoop. Can we look at hot mama moonshine with our blankie on? I'm using a tub for a feeder right now. I need another trough. But look at that body. Enchilada. You're ruining my video, woman. Puppies, 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 puppies. What did you find, Zion? Yeah, no, drop that. Thank you. Moonshine, you're gonna untie Armida? You are a true friend. You are a true friend, woman. Yes, do it. You're gonna swallow the rope? Pull it, girl. Oh my God. Good thing I put a safety in. I wanted to see if she was gonna freaking untie her, but you're swallowing it, right? Yeah, no. Moonshine has what I believe to be wind puffs, and they're in her back legs. I do believe they are wind puffs because when I work her, they go away, which everybody says is the tail sign. I am having a hard time with one, accepting the fact that my horse has super swollen legs and it's just okay with her and it doesn't hurt her. And two, is there anything that I can do to help her? Like, okay, don't be grumpy, woman. I'm trying to help you right now. Like, I just want to show you guys this really quick so you can see. Right here, this back leg, you can see, well, it's swollen right there, that little spot. If she is in like this stall for a night instead of being out there, her legs get really swollen, and then I'll work her and it goes down. But that spot that I was talking about never goes away. So if anybody knows anything about wind puffs, can you please tell me what's up? So I didn't record any of like the first riding, the warm-up, because I feel like I've done that a lot on this channel, and if you guys want to see me warm up my horses, you can just go to one of my past videos and you will see me warming them up. But I did want to show you guys her progress in the poles, so I'm gonna do the poles right now. One thing I forgot to mention, yes, there's only 4 poles right now. That is because my shorter arena cannot do a full-size pattern, but we're just working on the weaves and the turning and all that. You guys know, good stuff. that's the end of poles. That is the second time that I have worked on poles with her. I need to do like a lot more drills on just how to turn. I feel like I'm overestimating her ability to do that. And I shouldn't be, because she's just been a ranch pony her whole life. She's responding really good to leg pressure, and that is really essential for poles. So that's kind of why we're getting away with it right now, doing what we're doing, but I want her to be really solid and know the pattern and feel comfortable with it. Patterning. It's all patterning. Moonshine was just like this at one point. A long time ago. So I'm done with Armida, and I am going to work Moonshine now, and then feed everybody, and then call it good. Guys, I got distracted on the phone and totally forgot to show you my feeding schedule. Oh, I forgot Armida anyway. Okay. In the wintertime, I just maintain, which means I don't do any supplements or anything like that. I only do that during like rodeo season and for the horses that need it. So during the wintertime, I just do a flake and a half or so, like a chunky flake of hay in the morning, and then 2 flakes in the evening. Pretty much everybody gets that. Like, we have a pen that has enchilada with the goats, and then we have a pen that has the sheep, and then obviously the 3 horse pens. So everybody just needs 1 flake pretty much, which is really convenient. I really need to get better about my angles. It's not happening right now, okay? I am ending the video here with a haul type thing. My mom and I went to Macy's, which is like the most random store, because genuinely I don't shop there usually, where they had a full upstairs. Dude, my nose is so red. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. They had a lot of cute stuff, and this place just had so much super cute photo shoot stuff. And what I mean by like photo shoot stuff is it's like eccentric and different pieces that people really wouldn't see, and that are statement pieces, and that are really gonna make a picture. First things first, and this was the reason that we even went to Macy's, was because my mom knew that this jacket was on sale. Super cute denim jacket from Lucky brand, and look at that. It's like vintagey with a bottle cap. I just really dig it, and it fits me really, really nicely. So that was a yes for sure. Okay, this is like one of the pieces that you're gonna think, what is that? This is a corduroy trench coat, basically. See how long it is? Boom, boom. See the material? I really fell in love with this piece because I've never seen anything like it, and I just feel like it would go really, really cute with like a spring dress on or something like that underneath it. I don't know. I'm going to style it and see what's up with it, but I think it could be really cute. On to the next one, oh son. Another one of those things, dude. Oh my god, dude. Okay, so when I was doing the closet cleanup, I got rid of a lot of skirts because I was like, I'm not really a skirt person anymore. Yeah, so I got rid of all of my skirts, and then I got a new one, and I'm actually really excited about this one because look how freaking cute. I think it would go really cute with like a bandeau with like a long something or another on the top of it. These 2 things, by the way, are from Free People, which is currently my all-time favorite store or brand. This is the last thing that I have. On with the corduroy again. Corduroy overalls. Okay, you guys may think I am just crazy, but how cute will this be with a little cream bandeau underneath it? And this is from, of course, Free People too. I can't believe that. That's really funny. But this is where I'm gonna end the video. I really hope that you guys like this every day in my life vlog. I'm not gonna say that this is gonna be something that I do every single day, because literally pretty much every day looks like this. That would just get really boring after a while. But that's why I'm just trying to stick to like specific topic videos. So if you guys have a specific topic that you want me to film about, whether it's a barrel racing drill or a barrel racing tip, why does it have to be about barrel racing? It could be about anything, guys. It could be about fashion. It could be about makeup, because I do that. It could be about life in general. Anything. If you guys have any topics for me, please comment it down below, because that is really where I write my list of
what content you guys want to see. Anyways, guys, thank you for dealing with my crazy energy today, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.